Hi, this is Andrew, and today I'm going to share with you about my Malaysian budget wishes. You know, Malaysian budget is coming, the 2021 budget is coming soon, and these are my 3 wishes as a small business owners. Now, if you are entrepreneurs and small business owners, I encourage you to watch till the end because I'm going to share with you one important message for all entrepreneurs and small business owners in Malaysia. Now, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I publish weekly online business tips, and if you're not subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe right now. And here's my 3 wishes. First thing is that I wish that the government can encourage to create more entrepreneurs rather than waiting for a foreign direct investment to come in and invest and then create jobs, because it will take time, especially this year, the 2020 is a very special pandemic, so-called pandemic year that we are experiencing. And not only us, the worldwide, a lot of companies are facing this problem. So if we are still waiting for foreign investment to come in and create jobs, that will take some time, you see. So the best way is to encourage more people to become entrepreneurs so that we can self-sustain, create jobs for our own people. Secondly is to make it easier for Malaysian people to able to start their business, not burden them with more procedures, long procedures, long waiting time, and also heavy taxes. Support them with useful educations, resources, tools, and also communities so that they can be successful. Support them to grow faster. And thirdly, we need good infrastructures. What do you mean by infrastructures? Infrastructures like internet. Today, the internet has become an infrastructure like a highways, you see. So if we have faster internet or 4G network, don't talk about 5G yet, but if we have good 4G network, we can do business faster and more productive, and more people will get online. And today's situation, a lot of people are working from home. If we have better so-called internet infrastructure, then it will speed up our work and make our job easier. Now, besides that, of course, we need physical infrastructure like the roads so that the transportation become better, the career service become faster, and people can work more effectively. And that way, the online business, the career service, everything will become more faster and more efficient. And through that way, it can grow more online businesses, or more online businesses can be conducted. So this is my only 3 wishes that I would like to see the government support of putting a budget in these 3 areas to help the small business owner and entrepreneurs to grow. Of course, there are many different areas, but I have no say on that because I'm just focusing on helping more entrepreneurs like us or small business owners to grow their business online. So for a business owner, my message to you is that besides we have to rely on the government for all these grants, health, bigger budget spending, and so on, I think the most important thing, we can't just rely on the government, but we need to focus on right now is to readjust ourselves, our business, our thinking to the latest market situation, because the market has totally changed. If we insist that we want to continue to do the same old way, this year may be totally different. Now, there are some business has become better. There are some business impacted will go worse. So we have to readjust ourselves and see where should we go. So first thing is that we must accept the change. The change already started. If we expect that this will go back to the normal, I don't think so, you see. So we got to accept the change and pivot our business if necessary. Yeah. And then the most important thing is for small business owner, especially those that already conducted business for a long time, like 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. So we must learn how to adopt using technology, using new workflow, new methodology to conduct the business in a different way or a way that's suitable for this type of situation. And finally, don't wait. start taking action. Do not wait until to see, let's see budget is how, and then we only take action. Take action right now. No matter what kind of budget, we still have to go on. We still have to fight and then make this a better place rather than wait for the government budget or government help. And this is my message to all entrepreneurs and small business owners. Now, you can agree or disagree with me, and I love to hear that. If you can put your comments right down below. So now, for those of you who would like to bring your business online and you don't know how, this is what I'm going to do for you. I'm going to have a free strategy session. Means one-to-one, we talk with each other, brainstorm, and I will help you devise a marketing strategy or a digital marketing strategy that's suitable for your business that you can take immediate action right now. So if you're interested, it's a free brainstorming session. And if you like to book that, you can click on the link right below and book a session with me. And I guarantee you, after go through this session, you'll be clear on what is the path that you're going to take. So I hope that this video will send my message across to the small business owners and entrepreneurs, and I would love to hear your comments or your thinking. So please do like this video if you really like it, or share to your friends, and also please do leave your comment, and I would like to hear your opinion. By the way, we publish weekly Grow Online Business Tips, and if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe right now and turn on the notification bell so that when we publish, you'll be notified. And meanwhile, here's some of the video that you can watch that will help you grow your business online. I'll see you soon in my next video.